Hi everyone. In this session, in this video, I'm going to prepare a reading of antonyms. When you appear in competitive examinations, antonyms like synonyms are given to you to pick out or to single out or to mark to select. And we should have strong commands over synonyms as well as on antonyms, because word opposites are also very important for us to have a good vocabulary. We must know what is opposite of what. So antonyms are words that mean the opposite or nearly the opposite of each other for one meaning. Both synonyms and antonyms are often used in tests and language drills. So it's very important for you to develop a command over this, and don't just cram them or learn them. You just read them once. Every day read them once. Make a rule. Make a rule of your life that you have to read all the synonyms and antonyms once in a day. And every time you read, increase the number of synonyms and antonyms. And check your speed within an hour. Within an hour, how many antonyms and how many synonyms you can read. With correct pronunciation, accuracy and speed. So here's a list of antonyms that we will read in pair. So let's start. Above, below, absent, present, accident, intent, accomplishment, failure, achieve, fail, add, subtract, adjacent, distant, admire, detest, admit, reject, adore, hate, advance, retreat, affirm, deny, afraid, confident, after, before, aid, hinder, alarm, comfort, alert, asleep, alive, dead, allow, forbid, bitter, sweet, black, white, blunt, sharp, body, soul, bold, timid, bottom, top, brave, cowardly, break, repair, brief, long, bright, dull, bring, remove, boy, girl, busy, idle, buy, sell, capture, release, cause, effect, cautious, careless, center, edge, deep, shallow, destroy, create, difficult, easy, dim, bright, divide, unite, doubt, trust, drunk, sober, dull, sharp, dumb, smart, earth, sky, east, west, easy, hard, elementary, advanced, end, begin, even, odd, evening, morning, evil, good, exceptional, common, expand, shrink. Alone, together, amateur, professional, amuse, bore, ancient, modern, annoy, soothe, answer, question, apparent, obscure, argue, agree, arrive, depart, arrogant, humble, ascend, descend, attack, defend, attract, repel, awake, asleep, awkward, graceful, back, front, bad, good, bare, covered, change, remain, cheap, expensive, child, adult, chilly, warm, clean, dirty, close, open, cold, hot, command, obey, complex, simple, complement, insult, constant, variable, continue, interrupt, cool, warm, copy, original, countryman, foreigner, crazy, sane, crooked, straight, cruel, kind, cry, laugh, expand, shrink, fail, pass, failure, success, false, true, famous, unknown, fancy, plain, fast, slow, fat, thin, fiction, fact, find, lose, finish, start, firm, flabby, fix, break, follow, head, follow, lead, forgive, blame, forward, backward, free, restricted, fresh, stay. Beautiful, ugly, before, after, bent, straight, better, worse, big, little, birth, death, gentle, harsh, get, give, receive, glad, sad, gloomy, cheerful, glossy, dull, go, come, gorgeous, ugly, great, smart, greed, generous, grief, joy, ground, sky, curse, bless, damage, improve, dark, light, dawn, sunset, day, night, kind, cruel, knowledge, ignorance, large, small, last, first, laugh, cry, leading, following, leave, arrive, left, right, less, more, let, prevent, level, uneven, friend, enemy, funny, sad, full, empty, gain, lose, generous, stingy, no, yes, everybody, noise, quiet, none, all, north, south, nothing, something, now, then, obese, thin, obvious, hidden, odd, even, offend, please, offer, refuse, lie, truth, guard, attack. Guess, no, handsome, ugly, happy, sad, hard, soft, hate, love, he, she, head, foot, heel, infect, healthy, sick, heaven, hell, heavy, light, height, depth, help, hinder, hero, coward, high, low, hill, valley, him, her, higher, fire, life, death, like, dislike, likely, unlikely, liquid, solid, little, big, lively, inactive, lonely, crowded, long, short, loose, tight, lost, found, loud, soft, love, hate, maintain, discontinue, major, minor, make, destroy, male, female, man, woman, many, few, often, seldom, old, young, on, off, one, several, ordinary, uncommon, other, same, over, under, pacify, agitate, pain, pleasure, panic, calm, part, whole, partial, complete, particular, general, pass, fail, active, passive, active, peace, disturbance, perceive, ignore, permanent, unstable. His, hers, hot, cold, horrible, pleasant, huge, tiny, hurry, slow, hurt, help, idle, active, in, out, individual, group, innocent, guilty, inside, outside, intelligent, stupid, jolly, serious, joy, sadness, keep, lose, marvelous, terrible, mature, immature, melt, freeze, mess, tidiness, miscellaneous, specific, mistake, accuracy, mix, separate, moist, dry, more, less, most, least, mother, father, move, stay, naive, sophisticated, nasty, nice, near, far, never, always, new, old, permanent, unstable, permit, refuse, pessimistic, optimistic, physical, spiritual, place, misplace, plain, fancy, play, work, plentiful, sparse, plump, thin, polish, dull, polite, rude, pollute, purify, poor, rich, positive, negative, powerful, weak, praise, criticism, preceding, following, present, absent, pretty, ugly, prevent, encourage, pride, modesty, private, public, problem, solution, profit, loss, prohibit, allow, pupil, teacher, push, pull, quality, inferiority, quick, slow, quiet, noisy, quit, start, raise, lower, random, specific, rapid, slow, rare, common, raw, cooked, short, long, show, hide, shy, trusting, sick, healthy, silence, sound, single, married, single, brutal, single, married, sit, stand, slave, master, slender, fat, slow, fast, small, large, soak, dry, sober, drunk, some, none, something, nothing, sorrow, gladness, sour, sweet, speechless, talkative, tidy, messy, tie, loosen, timid, bold, to, from, together, apart, told, asked, top, bottom, toward, away, tragic, comic, transform, retain, transparent, opaque, triumph, defeat, true, false, truth, lie, ultimate, primary, union, separation, unique, common, up, down, upset, stabilize, ready, unprepared, spend, earn, rear, front, reduce, increase, regret, rejoice, relax, tighten, remember, forget, repair, destroy, retain, lose, revenge, forgiveness, ridiculous, sensible, right, wrong, rigid, flexible, rise, sink, rough, smooth, rude, polite, sad, happy, same, different, satisfy, displease, secluded, public, stale, fresh, start, stop, started, finished, stay, leave, steal, provide, sterile, fertile, stiff, flexible, still, moving, stingy, generous, stop, go, stranger, friend, strength, weakness, student, teacher, sturdy, weak, sunrise, sunset, superb, inferior, supple, rigid, survive, die, suspect, trust, urge, deter, vacant, full, vague, definite, vanish, appear, vast, limited, vertical, horizontal, villain, hero, visitor, hostess, wave, require, wake, sleep, wealth, poverty, weep, laugh, well, badly, wet, dry, white, black, wild, tame, win, lose, with, without, worship, detest, worth, uselessness, wreck, create, take, suspect, trust, take, give, tall, short, tame, wild, teach, learn, sad, happy, same, different, satisfy, displease, secluded, public, segregate, integrate, seldom, often, sell, buy, send, receive, sensational, dull, servant, master, shack, palace, shade, light, shame, honor, sharp, dull, she, he, teach, learn, temporary, permanent, thaw, freeze, there, here, thin, thick, thorough, incomplete, thrifty, wasteful. Thank you very much, guys, and please do the reading in pairing, whether it be it synonym or antonym. Believe me, if you do this practice regularly, soon you will find yourself very much conversant and very much familiar with all the synonyms and antonyms, and you will never make mistakes in examinations when picking out correct and nearest meaning in of the given word. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.